Hey, it's Dr. Alissa Zdancewicz, Dr. Z with West Coast Podiatry, and I'm going to give you some tips that I personally use and recommend that you do to help promote healthy skin and nails for your feet. So most people don't come in and say, my nails and feet are great. What can I do to keep them that way? A lot of people come in with maybe some discoloration underneath their nail. Maybe they traumatized it. Maybe they've had some polish on for too long. Or their skin is dry, flaky, itchy. That could suggest that you have a fungal infection in the skin and the nails. So first of all, take a polish break. Sorry, I know we live in Florida and everybody's wearing flip-flops, but just take a polish break while we're treating this. What I like to do is start with the Toenails Micro Cleansing Solution. This comes in a nice big bag. It'll last you a year, okay? Start with one soak 3 times a week for about 3 weeks. It comes with a scooper. You're gonna put in a basin of water. Warm water, not too hot, just enough to cover your feet. Soak for a good 10 to 15 minutes. It's gonna look soapy, but it's not soap. Those are the cleansers, the emollients to help soften your nails and your skin. Good 10-15 minutes. Take them out, pat them dry. Now, if you have some cream that you like to put on your feet, wait about 10 or 15 minutes before you do that. But this is a good time to take an emery board and file your nails. If your nails are particularly thick, you want to file right on the top. You also want to file the ends. Let that dry, and then, if we've instructed you to do so, Toenails also makes a great nail solution. Comes in a little tube with a brush. You squeeze out just enough that you see that it's a clear solution. You paint the nails, paint, and a little bit underneath. If it takes longer than a minute to dry, you're using too much. If you use too much, you're wasting product, wasting money. You can actually get some skin irritation. If you do find that you're particularly sensitive to this, then just go to every other day. So the best thing to do is soak 3 times a week with the micro cleansing. But then every day, use the Toenails. I find it's best to use it at night. That's when I put on my nails, wash my hands, wash my face, brush my teeth, and then by that time, a minute will have gone by and it'll be nice and dry. You can wear socks to bed. So you're gonna do that to help treat the fungus infection in the nails. Usually we follow up with you every 2 to 3 months or so. We'll see how you're doing. If your nails have grown clear, then you can start painting your toenails. If they haven't and you have a special occasion coming up, what I recommend is you use the Dr. Remedy base coat. The hydration is really good. I use that for my fingernails as well. You put the base coat on, and then you can put a top color on. Don't have the polish on for more than 3 to 4 days during that special occasion. You're gonna take the polish off and then resume your topical. Like I said, you're doing the solution soak 3 times a week for about 3 weeks, and after that, about once a week for maintenance should be fine. If you are all clear and your nails are ready to go, you're clear to paint your nails, then I recommend that if you do get a pedicure, that you are sure to check how they sterilize their instruments, how they clean their basin. It's really best to just do your own at home. Once again, the Dr. Remedy base coat, they have some great polish colors as well. Those are good because there's no formaldehyde, no toluene, they're vegan. They're not going to treat any fungus, but they're not going to have anything in there that's going to make it worse. So if you've been cleared to paint your nails, you paint them for 3 to 4 weeks, and then take the polish off, file the nails with an emery board, use your Toenails every night during that polish break, file the nails again at the end of the week, and then okay to paint your nails. Here's to happy, healthy nails.